If you've been wondering how to add hobbies in Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your profile and add hobbies that help people learn a little more about you. This is a quick and easy process, and once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few moments. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on Facebook, look at the top or side of the screen for your profile icon. Click your profile icon to open your profile page. This is where you can edit your personal information and customize the details people see when they visit your page. On your profile page, look for the Edit option. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an Edit Profile button or an Edit Details option. Click that to open your profile editing settings. After that, start looking through the available sections for hobbies. Facebook may place this in a profile details area, so you may need to scroll a little to find it. When you see the Hobbies section, click on it so you can begin adding your interests. Next, click the Hobbies field or Hobby option and use the search box to find the hobby you want to add. You can type in something like reading, gaming, cooking, fitness, photography, or anything else that matches your interests. Facebook will show you matching results as you type. Select the hobby you want from the list, and if you want to add more than one hobby, repeat the same process for each one. Take a moment to make sure the hobbies you selected are the ones you actually want displayed on your profile. Once everything looks good, click Save to confirm your changes. Saving is important because it updates your profile and makes your new hobbies visible in the appropriate section. And that's it, you've successfully added hobbies in Facebook. It's a small update, but it can help make your profile feel more personal and complete. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.